Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I believe you are all doing good. Today, I will talk about the importance of parents. Our parents are the source from which we derived. They are the most precious gift of God for us. They play the biggest role in our development. They are the first teacher, guidance, provider, and protector for the child. I'm not calling them God, but they are the God sent to the child. Parents play a lot of roles which all cannot be mentioned. Both father and mother play important roles in our mental, physical, social, financial, and career development. They have been taking care of us since we are in the womb. Since the day a mother got pregnant, she has started feeling uncommon and making some actions which is unusual. The pain and feeling of pregnancy is not what a mouth can explain exactly how it is. The woman will be maintaining this situation till the day of delivery. At the time of delivery, this is the most terrible situation. Some mothers say that they have never felt the likes of labor pains in their life. Some even said it looks like the angels take the life of a mother for the baby to come alive and literally return the mother's life after delivery. Mothers bring different explanations of labor pain, but to cut it short, the point is that it's not easy. They will also celebrate you being alive after being born. And as for the father, he has started planning for you since you are in the womb. He is ready to spend all his life savings for you to become something in life. Oh, what can I do to appreciate my parents? Father tries all his best to provide for the baby, even if it's still in the womb. Mothers need, babies need, hospital bills and others. They go a very long way to make sure they provide the needs. If some children sees what their parents is doing, how disgusting is it to meet their needs, they will take their father as a small god. I remember a woman whose husband is a plumber. The husband make all his best to provide family needs. One day, the woman opened her husband's phone, played a video, and see where her husband is packing feces inside soakaway. The woman burst into tears, seeing how long their husband goes to provide their needs. A father's sacrifice cannot be underestimated, and children can never know that. All they know is that I ask for something, he provides. When we are children, we give our mother a tough time. She sleeps when we sleep and feel comfortable when we comfortable as well. Breastfeeding, nursing, feeding and others are not easy for the mother. Babysitting, looking after baby, not to get himself into danger, especially when crawling, is not easy. In fact, this is a very tough time for the mother. Sometimes, baby cries all over night without a mother having knowledge of what happens to the baby. They will keep dancing in the midnight without seeing anyone drumming or singing for them, all to make the baby comfortable. As a matter of fact, mother sacrifice cannot be underestimated. Parents guides in adult sense. This is the most tension for parents and most enjoyable for teenagers. This is a period of life when a child develops into an adult. A child made a lot of mistakes in this stage. They believe they are getting older and they can do everything. They can make a decision by themselves. They can stand alone. They try to convince parents every time for their activities. This is the time when parents and their child almost be an enemy. They fight every time. There are some activities which parents think is not right, like accompanying with bad friends, driving life in the wrong directions, trying to take some steps which is wrong. All this almost make the child and the parents fight a lot. This is the time when it's so important for parents and their children to be communicating a lot. Parents should allow their children to share their feelings. Let them know what's going on with them. This is the time when parents works a lot on guidance, share their children different experience, advise them and teach them many things. Parents should try a lot on their children during their teenage. A mother teach their daughter sex education, teach them how to roll with people, how to take care of themselves, especially with their menstruations. A mother teach the children how to cook, clean and take care of the house, as house chores and home training entirely is something essential. While father also teach their male children sex education, build their social quotient, and let them know how to be strong in life. Father always stand for the children during hard times, so does mother. Father also teach children how they can face hardship in life, prepare them for future, and plan their education. Many fathers observe their teenage children to know what they would be in future. This is the time when some teenage child start learning the skill and also plan what to study in university. At this time, both parents join hands together to provide need for their children, look after them, pay a lot of sacrifices, all to make the children be successful in life. As for me, I give kudos to my parents. May their efforts never end in vain. Parental care during adulthood. After getting to the stage of adulthood, parents still stands for their children. They may not have the ability to make actions like before, but they will give advices, share their experiences, and pray for more success for their children. Parents also stand for children during tough situations and support children during difficult times in life. They try to make balance in the children's emotional persistence that helps to improve tough situations faster. They are the role model for the children. Our parents are the real supporter. May God Almighty bless our parents. In time of confusion, parents help children to know what to do and the best action to take. In time of marriage, parents stand to make sure their children choose right. In business and other activities, they always make sure we make the best option. In fact, parent sacrifices is more than what someone can mention at once. Mother takes roles of staying with children at home while father goes out to make their needs. Children always see the mother as heroine and not commend the effort of fathers most times because the father's sacrifices are not shown to them. I pray for all responsible parents to eat the fruits of their labor. May their efforts never end in vain. Join me on the next video where I will explain more about sacrifice of father, though our mother also trying their best, but both father and mother are to commend. Also, I will explain why we can never pay the sacrifice of our parents finish. Nothing we do that can be compared to their sacrifice. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before then, take care and have a nice day.